For each 30-second video ad, you can earn anything from 50 cents to $10. On average, you can make $265 by watching these video adverts. This functions in India and the United States. The first website on our list is this one right here. With the approach demonstrated in this video, you may earn $100 a day in pure passive income from Pakistan, Nigeria, and all other nations in the world. This website is definitely legitimate for making money online. I'll reveal the identity in a moment. As you can see, it has a Trustpilot rating of 4.4 stars and over 25,000 people have voted for the app so far. However, before you do, I want you to click on Register. Simply create an account by entering your email address, password, first and last names, gender, and presto. You'll be logged in with no money in order to make money. Seeing advertisements and videos, I want you to click the Earn button. You can select from a variety of online income-generating options on this website, but the easiest way to get money is to view video advertising. We're going to use this one to watch videos today, but you can also use it to earn money by completing surveys or playing games. These are really simple surveys that you can do to earn money. You don't have to be an expert to do so. Return for purchases and have the ability to make money through small chores. Let's click the Earn to Watch button. As you can see, we can get paid anywhere from 50 cents to $10 for watching a 30-second video ad. The rate you receive will depend on where you live, so if you watch a video ad in the United States or Canada, you might get $7 to $10, while in other countries, you might only get 50 cents to $5. However, you can comment below with the name of your country so that I can make more videos for you and other viewers from there. The website is called paidwork.com. We'll find a link to this page in the video's description. Therefore, to earn money watching video ads, click this watch button right now. Then, on the following page, you'll see that you need to download the PaidWork app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your iOS device. After installing the app on your device, click the Earn section once more, then scroll down and choose the Watch Videos methods. Scroll down once more and select the This Watch button. On the subsequent screen, click Start Watching Video, and an advertisement will begin to play. You only need to view the advertisement on your screen for 30 seconds. Then, you may click the cross icon in the upper right corner. As you can see, you've seen the complete video and have earned points. You can watch as many video advertisements as you'd like and earn money by doing so. Now, let's head over to our dashboard, where you can see that I have received $265 for merely watching a video ad. This means that, on average, I get $2 for each video ad I watch, and depending on your country, you may receive more or less than this. In this video, however, I will be showing you two websites. The second is my favorite because that's where I was able to withdraw this much money, and you can make money there by watching YouTube videos. I'll also show you a bonus trick to make $100 in pure passive income, so be sure to watch to the very end. As you can see, PaidWork has a 4.4-star Trustpilot rating. This indicates that the website is entirely false, so even though you are only receiving a small payment for each video ad, you can watch more and more of them to earn real money through PaidWork. Even better, you can choose from other options on the website, like filling out surveys where you can get paid up to $10 for each one you complete, or playing games where you can get paid anywhere from $1 to $100 for finishing a task. Your earnings from PaidWork, you must make at least $10. As you can see, making $10 on PaidWork is very simple, especially if you try the other methods available here. Once you have $10 in your account, simply click the Billing button and select Add Payment Method. You can then withdraw your earnings to your PayPal account, or if you don't have PayPal, to your bank account. If you'd like to make $10 quickly, though, you should go here. You can invite a friend or someone you met online to participate in the referral program and make money from paid job, and if someone. You have a ton of surveys to do. We want to make money by watching YouTube video ads, so scroll down to where it says Offer Walls. There are different offers as well, but if you look at these two offers right here, Loot, you can earn even more money. For example, this one will earn you over $1, this one will earn you 7 cards, and so on. There are even more offers here where you can earn even more money. $15 here, $9, and $7. You can see that both TV and Hideout TV offer a function where you can view videos and earn money. Let's open one of them to see a ton of food-related DIY videos. Gaming industry, you can select your preferred option, and it will lead to Treasure TV, where you have to register yourself. After you log in, you can watch and earn money from a ton of YouTube video advertisements. If you click on the points button, you can see that you have one linked account with grabpoints.com. And this is the name of our second website, GrabPoints, which is 100% genuine and operational and has a Trustpilot rating of over 4.5 stars. You can now return to Loot TV's site and begin viewing these video advertisements for points will be awarded to you. You may quickly withdraw those points from your GrabPoints account, which will receive them immediately. GrabPoints is available everywhere, and if you're not even getting paid as much for the YouTube videos you watch, you can try these two other main ways to make money on the website. If you click on these 3 lines, you'll see that there are surveys and offers there that you can complete to get paid right away. You can make as much as $4 or even $15 per offer you complete right now if you visit the surveys you available, and by completing them, you can earn up to $2. These offers and surveys are updated frequently, allowing you to make even more money from new polls and surveys. Now, all you have to do to earn $100 a day in pure passive income is copy a referral link from paidwork.com and head over to reddit.com. There, you will find many payment withdrawal options, so even if you don't have Pile, you can take withdrawal and some other payment methods available for your country. Over 1.9 million people visit Reddit. In the last video on Cash Pro channel, I demonstrated how to obtain over 200 karmas in a day and become a member of the money communities on Reddit. There are billions of people in the world every month, with over 48% of them coming from the United States alone. Just make a post that looks like what you're seeing on the screen, post it in this community, and when members of the community see it, they'll join by clicking on your link. Even if only 30 people do so, that's still a lot of people to join. Give up on paid employment for additional information. View my most recent video on my channel. If you would want me to provide documentation of my paid work withdrawal in future films, please help me achieve over 1,000 likes on this one. Thank you for watching. You will be making $100 per day in pure passive income.